Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now today I'll be creating a handmade greeting card to be sent out to one of my favorite people who's recovering from a recent surgery. I will be using the Cup It With Love digital kit available in my Etsy shop, along with some stamps and some scrap fabric to create this greeting card, which will be in response to the We're Baking and Crafting Meets monthly blog challenge. The word prompt for the month of February is togetherness, and so that is my inspirational point of reference. There will be links below to both my Etsy shop and Felicia's blog in the description box below. I'll put the rest of the video to music, speed it up a bit so that you can enjoy the rest and create along with me. All right, I'll come back at the end to show you the finished card. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the finished result, okay? And now I made an envelope out of a 12 by 12 inch piece of scrapbook paper, not cardstock, but just scrapbook paper. And then I took a piece of a scrap from the digital kit, coupled with Love digital kit, and I just added it to the front to tie it in with the actual card, because this paper has nothing to do with the card. As you can see, it's a it has like the pattern, dressmaking pattern. So this is what we ended up with. I loved how this came up with. Now, as you saw, I did a little stamping at the end. I added a little pearl trim to the bottom, green pearl trim, cheesecloth, some scrap lace, the word together, and then we have our beautiful silver couple here. And this card was made for a special someone who is recovering from surgery, and hopefully she's sitting still so that she doesn't injure or fracture anything. So in any event, I left a little space on the inside. I stamped the word hello, and then I'll write her a little greeting there, and that will be the end of that. But and I also stitched around the enlarged postage stamp there, and a little zigzag stitch there. But this is pretty simple, just using that kit. Craft paper, some metallic cardstock, scraps, and some, stitching, obviously, in the pearl trim. Not that hard at all. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit so you guys can see a little closer. All right. All of the beautiful detailing. And I love the faded color, the muted tones. And then the a little bit of pop of color on the stitching. I think that came out nice. I hope it'll be received as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I hope this has inspired you to pull out your papers and scraps and fabrics and textiles, and maybe put together a little card to brighten somebody's day. And don't forget, this digital is available in my Etsy shop, so feel free to head on over there. There'll be a link down in the description box where you'll be welcome to purchase it, and a little coupon code for those who would like to purchase it if it's not on sale. It may be on sale, I'm not even sure. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you'll tune in for the next video. Again, this was a challenge by Where Baking and Crafting Meets by Felicia. There'll be a link to her channel along with a link to her blog. So check in the description box for all the wonderful links so that you can participate in her challenge as well. Now, with that being said, guys, you know how I end it. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.